Artificial intelligence and robotic technology are revolutionizing all streams of our existence. The future is here, and it's brought with it a wave of innovation that has the potential to reshape the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Let me start by painting a picture of the world we're stepping into. Imagine a world where self-driving cars whisk us to our destinations, where AI-powered doctors assist in diagnosing and treating illnesses, and where robots handle tasks from manufacturing to caregiving. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality we're increasingly experiencing today. AI and robotics are transforming the way we work. The workplace is no longer confined to the physical office, with remote work and digital collaboration becoming the norm. Automation is taking over repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on creativity, innovation, and complex problem solving. Industries like manufacturing, logistics, and agriculture are becoming more efficient and productive thanks to the integration of robotic technology. Education, too, is undergoing a transformation. AI-powered systems are personalizing learning, adapting to students' needs, and providing access to education for people all over the world. The future of education is not bound by geography or limited to traditional institutions, it's available to anyone with an internet connection. Medicine and healthcare are witnessing remarkable advancements as well. From early disease detection to personalized treatment plans, AI is making healthcare more accessible and efficient. Robots are assisting in surgeries and taking care of patients, alleviating the burden on healthcare professionals. AI and robotics are also reshaping the way we communicate and interact with technology. Natural language processing and machine learning are making virtual assistants smarter and more intuitive. These technologies are improving the accessibility of information, and they are enhancing our daily lives in ways we could have only dreamed of a few decades ago. Furthermore, the entertainment industry is evolving as AI is used to generate music, art, and even write scripts. Virtual reality and augmented reality are taking us to new dimensions of immersive experiences, and AI-driven algorithms are helping us discover content that suits our individual tastes. The agricultural sector is being transformed by precision farming techniques, where drones and autonomous vehicles assist in planting and harvesting crops, optimizing resource usage, and reducing environmental impact. This is not just about increasing yields, it's about ensuring global food security in a sustainable manner. AI and robotics have also made significant strides in the realm of environmental conservation. They are used to monitor wildlife, combat illegal poaching, and analyze environmental data to better understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Now, as we embrace these incredible advancements, it is crucial to address the ethical and societal implications. Questions surrounding privacy, job displacement, and the role of humans in an increasingly automated world are of paramount importance. We must ensure that the benefits of AI and robotics are distributed equitably and that their deployment is guided by a strong ethical framework. In conclusion, the future is here, and AI and robotic technology are revolutionizing all streams of human existence. We stand at a pivotal moment in history where our innovations have the potential to reshape the world for the better. It is our responsibility to harness the power of these technologies for the benefit of all, to ensure that they enhance our lives, protect our planet, and empower us to achieve great things. As we navigate this new era, let us remain mindful of the ethical considerations, and let us work together to shape a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously, unlocking the full potential of our collective ingenuity. Thank you for your attention. The future is here, and it's a future full of possibilities. Embrace it, shape it, and let us make it a better world for all.